Now we have AWS Recognition. So AWS Recognition is going to be a machine learning service to help you find objects, people, text, and scenes in images and video, and that's it. You can also do facial analysis, facial search in order to do user verification or counts people in a video or an image. For example, what you can do with the recognition is to create a database of similar faces or compare against a public database of celebrities. So what would you use is what would you use recognition for then? The use cases is to label, to do content moderation. For example, you are making sure that there is no graphic thing in your image, text detection in case you want to extract text out of an image, face detection and analysis, gender, age range, or even emotions, face search verification for your users, for example, and celebrity recognition. And finally, if you have a video and it's a sports event and you want to analyze it, you can do event pathing, and that means that you want to see where someone is walking on the field, and from that information maybe run some analytics. So recognition is just for that, and you have to know about it. Now recognition in terms of architecture, what does it look like? So well, for this is example I've been given for here. For static images, a file will be uploaded into Amazon S3 and it will generate an S3 event, from which we can start a Lambda function, or we could use a step function if we wanted, if you wanted to orchestrate everything. So using this Lambda function, we would analyze the image by invoking the recognition service and get the output of recognition. And finally, the results we get the metadata, for example, into and we would write them into a DynamoDB table. This could include the emotions, the objects, the people in it, and we could also use Cloud Search, as we saw from before, or Elasticsearch to index that data. Then we would present a front-end API for our users, and the API would be fronted by the API gateway on some parameters, and I will look into the cloud search to find the faces we need or the results we need, and would get the data itself from a DynamoDB table. And that's it. Cloud recognition is very simple. Just remember, it is a service you have to invoke using a Lambda function, and in case of static images, you will be done. All right, that's it. I will see you in the next one.